Everybody, and welcome back to another studio vlog. If you are new here and you don't know me or what this channel is all about, my name is Krista and I am an illustrator who I just recently started a small business and I'm trying to continue that. So yeah, that's what I do. Also, I just recently in my last vlog moved back to my parents' house, so I'm kind of in a temporary setup at my parents' house right now, and that's why this whole setup looks a little bit different than my previous vlogs. But yeah, happy Monday. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. I've been spending the morning making some more prints, and I'm actually testing out a new design for a winter print, and I'm excited with how that's going so far. I'm just gonna sign all of these on the back and then put them in their little baggies, and then I will be stocked up on prints. Anyway, I will touch base with you guys later. Hi everybody, it's voiceover Krista. I just wanted to pop this segment in because right now it's late and I'm working on contract work. I feel like a lot in my older vlogs I would show myself working on my contract work and you guys would see a lot of that. But in my most recent vlogs I really haven't put much of that in at all. I haven't really showed myself working on my contract stuff. And I guess I just wanted to like include this clip and just kind of say that like my contract work has been busier than ever. It's been kind of overwhelming lately still. I don't really have any free time, and if I do make free time, it's to work on business stuff for myself. And also, I don't want to come off the wrong way here, because I do know that I'm incredibly lucky to have all of the work that I have, and I'm very grateful for it. I love all of my jobs, and I do feel very, very lucky. So I don't want to come off the wrong way here, but yeah, because I know that there's a lot of people right now who, especially with the current climate, are struggling and can't find work. And yeah, I'm definitely very lucky to be able to pay my bills and work full time, as well as having my business. But it's also really busy and kind of stressful, and I definitely work a bit too much. At this point in time, I have kind of been reflecting on everything, and I've decided that I'm going to try and take December as a kind of self-care month. So I'm going to try and take care of myself this month, and hopefully that'll be good. But yeah, I'm gonna go now. Future Krista out. Just wanted to chat with you guys about that. So I've set out my order for pickup today for Chit Chats, and I put it in this little basket with this little label on it. So hopefully they will find it okay. I'm a little nervous about the whole thing because I've never done this before. Well, I guess we'll see if this gets picked up later today. I just heard my dog barking, and I noticed that my box is empty. So the Chit Chats people must have come and taken my batch order, which is great. So hopefully the orders will go out really soon and everybody will get their stuff. And don't mind my dog barking in the background.
Kama Sutra, does it suit you? Your velvet dress is slipping on. Would you stay with me? It's coming through you, never knew how much it means when you spoke to me. But everyone needs something. I know that I'm no different. Swore picket fences, meet your parents, cast your shoes off in the pool. Don't it seem Carolina treat you better? I won't steal and I won't cheat.
Hi guys, good morning. It is Thursday. I'm being quiet because my sister is doing her schoolwork right behind me. But I just woke up and hopped on my computer and saw an email from YouTube. It says that I've been approved to join the YouTube Partner Program. Sorry, I probably look crazy. My hair's all a mess. But yeah, yesterday I I finally reached the watch hours required to be able to apply, and I started the application process, and I thought it was gonna take a while because it said that it was gonna take anywhere from like a day to like a couple weeks, so I kind of figured that it would take a while, but it's done. So I think I am officially a member of the YouTube partner program, which means I will start getting a little bit of AdSense on my videos, which is insane. So thank you guys so much. I'm gonna go because I look awful, but I'll touch base with you guys later. Bye. Yay, I'm so excited. So I'm leaving my house right now to go to the post office to drop off my Canadian orders. Sorry, my neighbor's garage door was open and I didn't want them to listen to me while I was talking. Yeah, I could probably walk, but it's kind of rainy and gross out right now, and also I haven't driven my car in a long time, and those who have cars probably know that if you don't drive your car, bad things can happen to it, and the next time you go into it, it might not start. So I want to give my baby car a little drive to make sure everything's good, wake up her battery a little bit, and I'm gonna go drop off these Canadian orders. And I wanted to update you guys too about my Chit Chats order, because there's been a weird thing that has happened. So basically, I scheduled the pickup on Chit Chats with my batch order. They picked it up, no problem. It was great, awesome, so happy about that. But now I went and checked the tracking to see if it had made it to the Chit Chats branch office yet, because it originally was estimated to reach the branch office yesterday. And when I went and checked the tracking, it said that my batch order had been missorted. So immediately that gave me a really sick feeling in my stomach, because that was a whole handful of orders that I obviously want to get out to the people who bought them. So I emailed the company who is doing this middleman pickup thing with Chit Chats, and they haven't gotten back to me yet, but I checked it again today, and I noticed that it says estimated delivery time to the Chit Chats branch is now the 26th. So tomorrow, actually wait, no, today. It's supposed to get there today. So I'm gonna check again later, and hopefully it gets there. But I'm just so worried because I don't want anything to go wrong, and I don't want these orders to go missing, and I'm just trying not to stress about it too much. I started going into the worst case scenario, and I started thinking about, oh my gosh, like what if they all get lost and I have to resend out all these orders, but I don't even want to think about that right now. So first I'm just gonna take these Canadian orders to the post office, and yeah, we'll deal with the rest later. Hi everybody, it is me again. I can't remember exactly where I left off, but it's now Saturday. I tried to film a clip last night of me kind of wrapping up this vlog, but it was so loud and there was a lot of commotion going on, so it didn't come out very well. And I kind of just talked a little bit about how I'm really loving being home. It feels like the place I need to be for sure. I love seeing my family, and I feel really lucky that we can all be together and kind of just be safe while this whole COVID thing is going on, and just being able to support my family during everything that's kind of happened the past couple weeks. But it also doesn't make for the easiest filming setup. Also, I talked about this a little bit earlier, but I'm currently in a temporary setup right now in terms of my workspace. And this part of my workspace is great, but right behind me we have my mom's kombucha making, which is awesome. She makes really good kombucha, but it's just kind of not my ideal workspace, unfortunately. And my sister's right there studying. Sorry Amanda if I'm loud. But yeah, we're all just making do, so hopefully you guys can understand if the quality of my filming is not super great. Hopefully within the next couple months that will get a bit better. I haven't really talked about this at all, but my apartment is in another town, which is about 2 hours away, and my lease ends in April. and I wasn't quite sure what I was going to be doing after that lease ends, but just with the state of the world and everything going on and the fact that I work completely remote, it doesn't really make sense for me to live in that city right now. The reason why I originally moved there was because after I graduated, I was supposed to work in an office downtown. But yeah, I don't need to live there because I don't go to the office because of COVID. So I'm gonna be moving home, which is super exciting, and I'm gonna eventually have my own room where I can work, which will make filming a lot easier too. So I'm really excited about that, but that won't happen for another couple of months. So until then, it's gonna be a little bit all over the place. But I wanted to talk to you guys about a couple things. First off, earlier in this video, I designed some custom tissue paper. And I printed it out! Look how cool this looks! I'm so happy with how it turned out. And I wrapped one order in it so far, and it turned out so well. I'll definitely do some more clips of me packing orders with this custom tissue. I made a whole bunch of it, and I think I'm gonna do a little tutorial for my patrons, just kind of showing how I made it personally and what worked for me and the problems I ran into. So if you guys want to see that, you can check it out on my Patreon page. I think I'm gonna put that up in December sometime. So yeah, I'll put that up over there. And another thing, this guy, I think I've said about, at least for the past 2 videos, that I wanted to film an unboxing of that machine, but I have not gotten to it yet. And I was just getting so frustrated because it was so dark and gloomy and I never had good light and I didn't want to unbox it in the dark. So I think that's going to be happening next video. So next video, we're unboxing the silhouette. We're going to make some more stickers because I've actually decided that I'm going to be having a shop update on December 1st. And I think that this video will be going up on the 1st. No, maybe. So stay tuned for that because I'm going to have a couple new things. My new print will be available. I also have a new sticker sheet and then a cozy one. This one's also available to my patrons. And then I have 2 new die cuts. The first one is this little teddy who I am currently working with my patrons to find a name for this guy. And then a feeling cozy sticker as well. So there's gonna be some cute new cozy things in my store. And if you're interested, definitely check that out. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Thank you for allowing me to become a YouTube partner. That's insane. Thank you guys so much. And also, we just reached 2K on YouTube, so that's insane too. You guys are the best, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!